Hello friends, in today's video we are going to talk about Excel formula, that is INTRATE, interest rate. This formula helps us to calculate the interest rate for a fully invested security, and the variables used in this formula are settlement date. So settlement date is the date of the security when the present buyer has acquired the security and got the right to earn interest or get coupon on this security. Maturity date is the final maturity date of the security when the security expires and the investor is going to get back his money along with the interests. Then investment is the amount that is invested. Redemption is the amount which investor is going to get on maturity, and basis is the day count convention which is being used. So day count conventions are basically of 5 types. We have to put 0 if we are using day count convention of 30 by 360, that is US. Then 1 for actual by actual, 2 for actual by 360, 3 for actual by 365, and 4 for European 30 by 360. The formula which is used for this interest rate is redemption value minus investment value divided by investment value into the number of days divided by the number of days between the settlement to maturity. So basically the number of days for which this investment is being done. That is the number of days from settlement to maturity. So now let us try to use this formula. So here is an example. We have invested amount of 10,000 rupees on settlement date 15th of May 2021. Maturity is 1st of December 2030. Redemption value is 15,000 and basis is actual by 365. What will be the interest rate? So we can have to insert the interest rate function and then put the data. So settlement date is 15th of May 2021. Maturity date is 1st of December 2030. Investment amount is 10,000. Redemption amount is 15,000. Basis is 3. And you can get the interest rate 5.23. So I hope this formula is clear to you. Thanks for watching my video and please subscribe.